Now, if we're going to consume an entire course on content marketing, we should probably define content. I also have to let you in on a little secret. There isn't anything really called content marketing, at least not as a standalone form of content. All marketing today involves content. It was quite fashionable when we started getting into this content way of thinking to call content as king. But today it's air. It provides every single channel. You can't really do effective advertising without content, or SEO, or word of mouth, or even sales without content. I like to say that content is the voice of strategy today. It is how you create awareness for your products and services. It's how you get people interested in buying from you. It is how you convert those customers into being clients, and done right. It is your most powerful lead generation tool today.